Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant, and here is BITI, your Litecoin Informant. We will check LTC now. What's going on with Litecoin? Here is CoinMarketCap. Litecoin is on place number 11. Momently, a plus about 3.08% on 24 hours and a plus about 15% in the week in the last 7 days. So this is the big overview now for Tradingview. Here is the technical analysis. Here is the daily time frame. On the daily time frame for Litecoin, we can see we should, on a summary, buy Litecoin. The moving averages are telling us strong buy Litecoin, and oscillators are also telling us we should buy Litecoin. 4-hour time frame is telling us summary buy your Litecoin. Moving averages are telling us strong buy Litecoin, and the oscillators, they are telling us we should sell Litecoin. The 1-hour neutral on the oscillators, buy on summary, and strong buy on the moving averages. And ladies and gentlemen, very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Now let's check this. This is my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week, only on Twitch. This is Crypto Trading Informant, and here you can see 9 of the biggest cryptos. Here's Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, XLM, ADA, BNB, Doge, IOTA, and XRP. And here you can see a Litecoin. Here you can see buy and sell signals. You can see long and short signals. Also, you can see here the ribbon band, the MA200, MACD, and everything you need for trade. This one is for free. You can watch this 24 hours, 7 days a week. So if you have any questions, please feel free and write it into the chat. So, okay, let's start now. This was my last Litecoin TA. A lot of drawings, a lot of things. And since the last one, nothing really big, nothing changed this, or nothing big happened here. We had a big resistance. We had a try out, a fake out to the upside. We had a fake out to the downside under our big support. And now we are between our big support and this resistance. But if we are going in deeper now, we will check, before we're going deeper now, we will check the daily chart. The daily chart picture, let's start bigger one. Let's start with the weekly chart picture. Let's remove all drawings. Let's remove all stuff here. This is our big thing for Litecoin. This was our highest point here on December 2017. And from this one, a big bump to the dump to the downside, a pump, a dump, and now a nice pump to the upside. So let's check this now. Let's start with our Fibonacci from the highest point from our big pump 2017 to the lowest point here on this point. Now you can see something interesting. This is the weekly chart. Every candle is 1 week. We saw a big, nice candle here to the upside with a big wick to the upside. But guys, you know, if you see a big wick to the upside, you know it's going down. And we saw the next week it's going down with a wick to the downside, a bigger one. Now a nice candle to the upside. And the next, this candle, also a nice candle to the upside. We have here to watch this one. This is our golden pocket Fibonacci retracement, 0.786. That's the important thing. And this is the big resistance for the moment at 293 US dollar. This is the biggest thing we have to watch. So, okay, let's check the next thing. What is going on with the indicators? What are telling us? The MACD. And the MACD is still bullish. Since the bull run, since the long bull run on the weekly time frame, we had a bullish MACD. Blue line over the brown line. Everything is fine. Everything is nice. On another thing we will check is the RSI. What's going on with the relative strength index? And this one has the same picture as IOTA. I showed you this on another video, or on Bitcoin. I showed you today on this Bitcoin TA. We have a bearish downgoing RSI. We have a RSI about 66 points. It's not overbought now, but the RSI is going down. The volume and the price is going up. Not the volume, sorry. The price is going up for Litecoin, and that's a bearish divergence. We need to watch this. This is now very important. Let's go deeper in the one-day chart. What is telling us the one-day chart? And also you can see it here. We are fighting between the Fibonacci lines. The MACD is bullish. We saw a cross here from the blue line over the brown line. That's very nice, but you can see also our bearish divergence is playing out momentarily. We see a downgoing RSI and an upgoing price for Litecoin. So let's remove the RSI. Let's check the next thing. What is going on with the ribbon band? What is telling us this one? Ribbon band is a nice support. You can see it. We broke through, but not confirmed broke through. You can see it here. We had no confirmed breakthrough this ribbon band, not a confirmed candle broke through, and now a bounce to the upside over the ribbon band, and the ribbon band is now on the daily time frame our friend, our support. From the downside is also coming the EMA 200 as the big support, and we are now fighting up against our golden pocket Fibonacci line 293 US dollars. What is telling us the next one? What is telling us the moving average? I love the moving average 21. This is in my opinion very important to watch. Let's check this. And also you can see MA21 is a nice support here. This is this line here momently. It's working as a support. The blue line, as long as we are here over this support line with the daily chart, everything is nice for the bigger picture. Let's go deeper. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. So this is the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, I like to change the Fibonacci. On the 4-hour chart, I like to change the Fibonacci from the highest point from this one to the lowest point to this point here. So this is a little retracement, and here we have some things to watch. We saw this now, this 0.5 Fibonacci at 271 US dollar is now momently our support, at the moment our support. And this one, the 0.618 Fibonacci at 286 US dollar is our resistance. We are now fighting between these two Fibonacci lines. We need to fight back this one, 0.618. We need to fight back 286 US dollar for more mooning Litecoin. But we have here a really big resistance also to watch. This is this one. And this resistance is measuring really perfect with our Fibonacci line. I will show you very soon why I think so. This one, and this one is a red one. So you can see this was a very important point. We saw a bounce to the upside and a wick to the upside and then a downgoing Litecoin. This was a very important moment on the 4-hour chart. And this point is now the big resistance at 286. And I think it's possible now to move on to this line, 286. This is also the Fibonacci line. And then the moment of truth is coming. Will we see a next downgoing Litecoin here, or will we see a retracement, or will we see a pump through this to the upside with a lot of volume in the direction to this 308 US dollar? This would be very big here to the next Fibonacci line at 0.786, the golden pocket line here. So if we can fight back here, 308 is the next thing, and then the all-time high 336 is the next big thing to the upside. Momently, or at the moment, it's looking not so bad here for a Litecoin. If we check here, this nice uptrend, also this is a nice uptrend. No, this is not working. This is not working. Forget the uptrend for the moment for the 4-hour chart. Momently, all is okay here. So let's check the 1-hour chart for Litecoin. The 1-hour chart is better to draw here now a nice uptrend. So we can make an uptrend from this highest point, from this point over this point here to the upside, and to the lowest point to this point here to the downside. This is a nice green bullish uptrend on the 1-hour chart, and we are here fighting very nice in this. And you can see Litecoin is reacting here also on this line of this uptrend. We are over the middle line on the 1-hour chart. We are also over this ribbon band. So that's nice. We see now a little retracement because we reached this line here, this uptrend line. Now it's going down a little bit. Maybe we retest here our 0.5 line, or maybe we retest our blue middle line. It's also possible to retest this point here at 275, and then we may bounce up again. This would be very nice for Litecoin, but attention, a big resistance here at this line. Let's check very quick Litecoin versus Bitcoin. What is telling us this story? What is telling us this TA? On the 1-hour chart, we have here a really extreme picture. Let's move on. On the 1-hour chart is not so important for me. Let's check the 4-hour chart. This is more important. So the 4-hour chart, you can see MACD is, let's zoom in. What's going on here? Bullish or bearish? What's going on here? Oh, damn, it's really hard. It's still bearish. Look at this. It's not The blue line did not cross the brown line. It's still bearish at the moment. The MACD on the 4-hour chart. We have a sideways going Litecoin here a little bit against Bitcoin. And we have some big things to watch, some really big things. We are forming, you can see it here now, a extreme nice pattern. We can make a line from here to here. This is our resistance. And we can make also a really nice line from the downside over this point here, over this spike to the upside. And you can see we are forming a triangle Litecoin versus Bitcoin. And watch this. If you are trading Litecoin, watch this triangle. If this triangle will break out to the downside, you can make a very nice short position. If this triangle will break out to the upside, you can make a very nice long position. So this is very, very nice to watch the 4-hour chart Litecoin versus Bitcoin. All in all, I think you have all informations for trading with Litecoin. I think you know everything you need to know. Guys, it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions out there with your trade for Litecoin or all other coins here. There are over 9,000 coins momently, and this is very awesome. So have a nice time. Greetings, and I hope we see us tomorrow on my next update. Yours BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. Bye bye. Special greetings to my big boss of my channel. The big boss, the name is Subcritical. Bye bye, guys.